You walking loud like the world's gotta bow. Flashing your fire, but I see through it now. You're talking tough like a storm in the night, but your thunder's fake and your lightning won't bite. I've seen your kind, yeah, 100 before, kicking down walls that ain't got no door. What are you trying to prove with all that rage? What you trying to lose? Burning bridges, playing cool, but you're just another pawn trying to rule. Hey, you ain't scaring me no matter what you do. So what are you trying to prove? Got a chip on your shoulder, call it pride, but real strength don't have to hide. All bark, no bite, all smoke, no flame. You're playing a part, but it's all just a game. Take out the mask, drop the disguise. Real ones don't need to advertise. What are you trying to prove? Who you trying to be? And who did you lose? You talk real big, but you're breaking inside. And the truth in the things you try to deny. Hey, you ain't fooling me no matter what you do. So what are you trying to prove? Is it power you want? Is it fear you need? Or just a shadow of love that your ego feeds?